But we have this brachioradialis. So anconeus here, brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus, followed by extensor carpi radialis brevis. Then in the middle, almost in the middle, running these four tendons into the dorsum of hand, you can see these are moving when I'm pulling this. That is flexor, extensor digitorum. Then we have extensor carp, digiti minimi, and in the last extensor carpi, ulnaris. Again repeating, anconeus is here, not shown. Then brachioradialis. Then extensor carpi radialis longus with the long tendon, extensor carpi radialis brevis with the short tendon, extensor digitorum, extensor digiti minimi, a thin tendon on thin bulb muscle, and extensor carpi ulnaris. So these are the superficial muscle. If you wish, that much is sufficient for this. But to know the deeper muscles, we can reach up to this snuff box, right? And here we have extensor pollicis, longus tendon, on this outer side, right? While on this side we have abductor pollicis, which is not so well dissected here. So I remove the fissure over here, and that makes the tendon more visible. Okay, give me a minute. Undissect it? Yes. Now, on outer side, we see a big tendon and single tendon. That is extensor pollicis longus. How you are rectifying? Because this tendon will pull up in the extension format. That's how you can remember it. It is extensor pollicis. While on this closer to the palmar side, we have two tendons. One is smaller, another big, and this bigger one is abductor pollicis longus, and the smaller one is extensor pollicis brevis. So extensor pollicis are two ones, longus and brevis. Longus is this one, while brevis changes its position and go away from this longus and join with the abductor pollicis, right?